It's been a while, my friends, but we are back with another episode of your favorite web series, Just Ask Jack, where we go through some of the most common questions that our customer service team fields on an everyday basis. And today, we're going to be talking about something that's been the subject of interest for a variety of customers of ours, artists, individual employees as well, which is direct-to-substrate printing. So question number one, what in the world is direct-to-substrate printing? Well, it's a type of printing that goes direct to substrate. End of video. No. Back in the early days of Office Sign Company, before we invested in our direct-to-substrate printing technology, we used to have to apply vinyl and laminate over items like metal, wood, plastic, and other non-engravable and non-sublimatable products in order to apply your logo or text. Now, with direct-to-substrate technology, we're able to print ink that is UV cured directly onto any material that is 2 inches thick or less and 4 foot by 8 foot or less. Not only has this expedited the production process, but it also expands our capabilities of different substrates that we're able to utilize and helps make for a more pristine looking finish. Question number two, what are the other names for direct-to-substrate printing? You'll hear us sometimes refer to this as UV printing, flatbed printing, or large format printing as well. It's called UV printing because the prints that are accomplished on these materials are UV cured, so as soon as the print is complete, you can run your fingers over the prints without any risk of smearing ink or creating issues. We say flatbed print because it sounds like flatbread print, and that's delicious. Also, the print, that was another bad joke. Also, the print takes place on a flat bed. Genius, I know. Large format printing is maybe the most common name because you can print on substrates up to 4 foot by 8 foot in size, and that makes for some very large print projects. Question number three, what are the drawbacks to flatbed printing? Nobody's perfect, and no print process is either. With flatbed printing, it's no different. The biggest risk you run is the prospect of your ink chipping or flaking off if it is exposed to a lot of use or rubbing against other substrates. This can be protected, however, by laminating the substrate after print or not scraping at it. The second issue is also rectifiable. UV printers have multiple print settings, and the cost of the print will range based off what setting you use. On the lowest print setting, you'll sometimes see slight banding in the prints. Want that gone? Use a higher setting. Depending on the use, however, it may make sense to save some dollars on something inexpensive like corrugated yard signs, whereas direct-to-substrate printing on metal for your HD artwork may make sense on a higher setting. Despite these, flatbed printing is going to revolutionize the sign game, and already has started. It can even work for printing 88 Braille signs, but that's for another day. For more information on some of the frequently asked questions our customer service team fields, feel free to check out our written answers by selecting Frequently Asked Questions on the left navigation on OfficeSignCompany.com. Or just stay tuned for another episode of Just Ask Jack, where we will write a better script. Less dumb jokes. We're going to skip the joke on the script and just jump into the next part.